What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Manta. Was needed. I mean, yesterday we finally broke out. I'm not sure at what time I made the video. I think right here actually, when we broke out above 2.5 and 2.55. And that actually continued. I think in the video we talked about that I thought we needed to break out a little bit higher. I wish I took a long position because I didn't. All right. As some of you might remember, I did take a long position when we broke that level here, but maybe partially traumatized. I didn't take it when it was here, and I missed the breakout right here. So missed a trade. Can happen. I mean, that's fine. Still making profits, so it doesn't matter. But Manta got a nice breakout over the course of the day yesterday. We already saw a lot of momentum build up for Manta. Which you can see right here, just a ton of momentum building up, and that has started dropping down in the last hour. So this video maybe is perfect timing. I think most value is provided here. So yeah, what happened? So what happened is that momentum built up and we broke out. All right, and what happens usually? Look, Manta is a big launch, all right? And with a lot of these big crypto launches, there just is a pretty big chance that at some point of time they rally. We've had it with Celestia, which was a bit of an anomaly, but we also had it with Xi Games, for example, that also rallied quite a bit after launch. So Manta, as you can see, it has some great backing in Polychain Capital, Binance Labs, and some other big venture capitals, and just in general market makers. So it was to be expected that at some point of time it would break out. So we finally got that breakout above 2.5 and 2.75 right here. After the breakout at 2.8 and 2.75, you could have also still taken that break retest. And then rallied up. And the main resistance level, and that's, I think we yesterday morning we also talked about that, was filling the wick here at 3.25, I think I said, but ultimately it was more around 3.3, where you also had that 1.618 fib. So reached up there, sniped that as resistance, and now it's dropping down. So the big question is will it stay bullish after the momentum is dropping down right now, as we can see? But also after the 28 EMA was broken on the 1 hour time frame, and just in general, we hit a significant resistance. And I think the main answer is it's definitely possible, but it depends on how we develop from here. All right. So what's going to happen from here is Manta, after breaking down below the 28 EMA, is probably going to drop down lower towards 2.85 and 2.75. From there, we're going to find support initially, but if the open interest does not start increasing when we hit that support, then we're going to drop down lower, all right? Because this support needs to increase the momentum again. If that happens, then we can actually get back up to 3.3 and 3.5 and 3.75 later. But like I said, the key thing to watch is that open interest. If that does not increase from that support level, that probably means that it's temporary support. And then we might find some support there, but then the support will just give up, will break down below 2.75, and the moment Manta breaks down below 2.75, I would say on the 1 hour time frame, we're actually bearish, all right? And right now you can also see that most of the liquidity is around 2.8, 2.7. So it looks likely we'll drop down there. The reaction on that is the main thing, all right? Like I said, if we find support there and, for example, we're not able to break above $3 again, which is a different way of checking whether the support is strong enough, we'll just drop down. All right, so that's the key level to watch. I'll try to keep you updated on that, of course, but for now, that's what you need to know. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal down in the description or the pinned comment. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.